everyone. Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. I'm Jessica.
And I'm Mike. And today we are talking about something very important, something every beginner wants.
Yes, today's topic is build English confidence fast.
Because let's be honest, most beginners don't have a vocabulary problem.
They have a confidence problem.
Exactly. You know words, you understand grammar, but when it's time to speak, your brain says, error 404.
Yes, suddenly everything disappears.
So today, we will help you build confidence step by step. Not in 6 months, not in 1 year, but starting today.
And remember, confidence is not magic, it's practice.
First question, Jessica. Why do beginners feel afraid to speak English?
Good question. I think there are 3 main reasons. Number 1, fear of making mistakes. Number 2, fear of being judged. Number 3, overthinking grammar.
Yes, especially grammar. Some students think, if my sentence is not perfect, I should not speak.
But that's wrong. Let me ask you something. When babies learn to speak, do they use perfect grammar?
Not at all. They say things like, me want water.
Exactly, but we understand them, and slowly they improve.
So if a baby can speak without fear, why can't we?
That's a good question.
Let's give our listeners their first confidence rule.
Yes, rule number 1, speak first, correct later.
This is powerful. When you focus too much on correctness, you stop speaking.
Instead, focus on communication. Ask yourself, did the person understand me?
If the answer is yes, congratulations, you are communicating.
Now, let's start daily speaking practice. Very simple, very easy.
And you can do this at home.
Practice number 1, talk about your day.
For example, I woke up at 7 a.m. I brushed my teeth. I had breakfast. I went to work.
Simple sentences, no difficult grammar.
Even if you stay home, you can speak. I cleaned my room. I watched TV. I cooked rice.
The goal is not to impress someone. The goal is to move your mouth.
Yes, because confidence grows when your mouth becomes comfortable with English sounds.
Let's do a small speaking exercise together.
Okay.
Imagine you are meeting someone for the first time. What can you say?
Hi, my name is Mike. Nice to meet you.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. What about you?
See? Very basic, but many beginners freeze during this moment.
Because they start thinking, what tense should I use?
Yes, relax, just speak.
Now let's talk about something important, self-talk.
Oh yes, this is powerful.
Many learners speak English only in class, but confident learners speak English alone.
In the shower.
In the kitchen.
While walking.
Even while looking in the mirror.
Yes, mirror practice is amazing.
Stand in front of the mirror and say, hello, my name is blank. I am learning English. I am improving every day.
At first, you may feel shy.
But remember, the mirror is not judging you.
Unless it's a magical mirror.
Hopefully not.
Now, let's talk about mistake fear.
Okay.
Many students say, people will laugh at me.
Let me tell you something honestly. Native speakers make mistakes too.
Yes, everyone makes mistakes.
And most people are not thinking about your grammar, they are thinking about themselves.
Exactly. People are busy with their own problems.
So don't imagine that everyone is judging you. Most people are not even paying attention.
Now let's give a daily 10-minute practice plan.
Yes, something practical.
Minute 1 to 3, talk about your day.
Minute 4 to 6, describe something around you.
For example, I see a table. The table is brown. There's a laptop on the table.
It is afternoon. The weather is sunny.
Very simple description.
Minute 7 to 10, ask yourself questions and answer them.
What did I eat today? I ate rice and chicken.
What are my plans tomorrow? Tomorrow, I will go to the market.
If you do this daily, your confidence will grow fast.
Let's talk about thinking in English.
Ah, yes. This is very important for confidence.
When you translate from your language to English, your brain becomes slow.
And you feel pressure.
Instead of translating, start with small English thoughts.
For example, when you feel hungry, think, I'm hungry.
When you are tired, think, I'm tired.
When you see something funny, think, that's funny.
Small thoughts, small wins.
Mike, do you remember your first time speaking another language?
Oh yes, I was nervous. My hands were shaking.
Really?
Yes, and I said the wrong word.
What happened?
Nothing. The person corrected me politely and life continued.
So the world did not end?
No explosion, no drama.
That's an important lesson. Your mistake is not a disaster.
Another powerful tip is record your voice.
Some students hate this idea,
Yes, because they don't like their voice.
but recording helps you hear your pronunciation.
And when you listen after 1 month, you will hear improvement.
That builds real confidence.
Now let's practice a small daily conversation.
Okay, I'll start.
Go ahead.
Hi, Mike. How was your day?
It was good. I had a busy day at work.
What did you do?
I had meetings and answered emails. What about you?
I studied English and watched a movie.
What movie did you watch?
I watched a comedy movie. It was very funny.
See? Very natural, very simple.
You don't need big vocabulary to sound confident.
Let's talk about body language.
Oh yes, confidence is not only words.
Stand straight.
Make eye contact.
Smile.
Even if you feel nervous, your body can send a confident signal.
And your brain will follow.
Another important idea is stop comparing yourself.
Yes, comparison kills confidence.
Maybe your friend speaks better English.
But maybe you are improving faster.
Everyone has a different journey.
Focus on yesterday's version of you.
Now let's give our listeners a challenge.
Yes, a 7-day confidence challenge.
Day 1, speak for 5 minutes alone.
Day 2, introduce yourself in English.
Day 3, describe your room.
Day 4, record your voice.
Day 5, have a 3-minute conversation with someone.
Day 6, watch a short English video and repeat sentences.
Day 7, speak for 10 minutes without stopping.
If you complete this challenge, you will feel stronger.
Mike, what is the biggest mistake beginners make?
Waiting to feel ready.
Yes, they say, I will speak when my English is perfect.
But perfection never comes first. Practice comes first.
Confidence is like a muscle.
If you don't use it, it becomes weak.
If you use it daily, it becomes strong.
Let's end with a motivational message.
Okay,
If you are listening right now and thinking, my English is bad,
change that sentence.
say, my English is improving.
Every day you practice, you are winning.
Even small practice counts.
Don't laugh at your mistakes.
Unless it's really funny, then you can laugh a little.
Yes, laugh and continue speaking.
Remember, confidence is not about being perfect.
It's about being brave.
Brave enough to speak.
Brave enough to try.
Brave enough to improve.
And you can start today,
Not tomorrow,
not next month.
right now.
Take a deep breath.
And say one sentence in English.
That's your first step.
And if you repeat that step every day,
You will build English confidence fast.
we believe in you.
Yes, we truly do.
Thank you for listening.
Keep practicing,
Keep speaking.
and see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.